Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the defogger, rear window electric, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SPI flex fuel with active fuel management, wheels, 4 18 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65 are 18 on off-road, white outlined letter, license plate bracket. Front and the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.